Recently, most of the OBS users are facing this issue with the H.264 encoder. Even if you like come to this output settings, you see I'm currently using H.264, but previously for the streaming I was like using a Havoc one, and it made my like PC so much slow. So the error which is like you guys be facing is with the graphics driver. What you have to do is, currently if you go for the GeForce experience by clicking on this upwards arrow and right click on this and just click on the GeForce experience, you would be coming to this panel right here. So after coming to this panel, you see the latest release was on the 5th March of 2024, and it automatically just removed all the problems and errors with the encoder H.264. Even I was not able to encode with the Premiere Pro, and also not even in the CapCut also with the H.264 encoder, because it was like the graphics drivers problem. And recently the previous driver that came in the month of February, that was having like the so much issues with the H.264 encoder, I believe. So that's why you guys weren't able to use that, but now you can just update your driver. So after updating your driver, all the problems in your OBS will be automatically be updated and resolved. So you can just also hit that subscribe button at the bottom right corner. So I guess that's all for this video. Bye bye.